What's up with my people, though? I said, what's up with my people, though? Today is one of them days, you feel what I'm saying? Like, the devil really tried to come through. He really tried to come through. Take me out. Give my kids a broken heart. That's what I feel like what happened today. Today I was in a car accident. And boy, it was unbelievable. When I say blink of an eye, literally. But where I am happy at is that I am at home. I'm safe. I have no bruises. Nobody was hurt. Police officers and the passenger side. I mean, not the passenger, but the other person. Everybody was nice and calm. They let me know that it's just a trial. So anybody that's been going through car accidents and everything else, just know it's a trial. Everything is replaceable. Everything. And I've been learning that here lately. Usually around this time I be, don't get me mad, don't get me wrong. Oh, I was salty. Why I was salty is because that's my transportation, you feel me? I ain't have to depend on nobody. You know, like, I gotta do what I needed to do for me and my kids, and I still helped the other people with it too. Don't get me wrong, I did. But now, it's a different outlook on life. And I'm not going to be upset or mad about it. I'm just going to let go and let God and see what else he has in store for me. Because that's all I can do. So I'll be back with another video and I'll be Turner. Just want to let y'all know what's going on. You feel me?